Just come. Nice. Right there, right? Perfect. Good. Nice. And a little bit there. Nice. There it is. Good. Okay. Feel that there? Yeah, I think that means yes. Right there. Just come. And right here. Right there, right? Perfect. Very good. And lie on this side facing me.
Okay.
Good crack. And a little bit right here, okay? And come in here. So you come right there. Right. Good. Nice. And a little bit there. Nice. That was good, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Lie on your back. Very good. Right here. Come right. Perfect. Sweet. Good. Respiro profundo. And exhale. Right there. There it is. Good. Let me check these wrists. That's a funny bone, huh? Because those nerves, they come down this way and they come, the carpal bones, and you really like that. Feel that? Oh, yeah.
Hija, dile que esta mano, donde me toca me duele más.
Yeah.
She says the left wrist hurts a lot more.
Yes. And that's the one that's pretty, feel that right there, right?
Yeah.
But it's moving a little better right there. Good.
Okay.
Good. Wrist check the hip on the side. And come a little bit. Perfect. Nice. Let's come on up for more. You're doing great. Okay. Better? All right, put the thumbs up there. All right.